Hi, in this video we are going to see the UGC recruitment notification 2021 guys. Here the eligibility is the post graduation or the undergraduation guys. So based upon these things here the salary is available from 25,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees per month. Okay. So after watching this video, whatever the specifications you belongs to, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those specifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the official website of the University Grants Commission guys. So in this website, if you go to the jobs here, okay, so click on this one and then you will be directed to the different recruitment notifications in the University Grants Commissions guys. So actually regarding this advertisement for the post of junior consultants for UGC Distance Education Bureau purely on contract basis, that we already gone through this video in the yesterday session guys. Okay, if you want you may go through the previous videos in my YouTube channel, then you will get for this one. And at present I am going to show you the advertisement for computer programmers at the InflibNet Center for New Delhi location through Manpower Agency. Okay, MBS Bhakti Management Services Private Limited on contractual appointment basis. Fine. And here the last date is 4th July 2021. So click on this one guys and then you will be directed to the recruitment notification PDF here. So Information and Library Network Center and Inter-University Center of University Grants Commission. Advertisement: Information and Library Network Center, Gandhinagar, Gujarat invites applications from Indian nationals for the following purely temporary positions on a contractual appointment basis through Manpower Agency Bhakti Management Services Private Limited for New Delhi location. That means here the location is in the New Delhi guys. That means you have to work there. And the name of the post: project associate or officer or the consultant. But if I go to the in this website, whatever the online application purpose, the website is provided here. If I go to this one, then I got the one more job notification that we will see clearly. So project associate or officer or consultant, the consolidated pay 25 to 45,000 rupees. The number of posts are 4 are there, and the preferable age limit is 28 to 45 years guys. And the essential qualification and experience: BE or BTech in computer science or information technology, or MCA or MSc in CSE IT or equivalent with minimum 1 to 6 years of experience. So whatever your equivalent branch to computer science or the information technology, if you are having the graduation, if you are having the post graduation, then you may apply for this one with a minimum 1 year of experience. Okay, why? Because they mentioned 1 to 6 years of experience. So if you're having the computer related graduation or the post graduation with a minimum 1 year also experience also, you can apply for this one. And here the desirable qualifications are mentioned guys: experience in the web developing using .NET MSSQL and a good knowledge of the database. Okay, and all eligible candidates are requested to apply online up to 4th July 2021 evening 6 o'clock. And the online application form link is also given here. So you just click on this one guys and then you will be directed to this website, that is Bhakti Management Services Private Limited. Job openings for the computer science and library science, and here few terms and conditions are given. I will go through that one. So you may check down: apply for computer science, apply for the library science, as well as the administrator. Actually we got the whatever the notification we saw here in this PDF. Okay, it is only representing the computer science related jobs, and the qualification related to this one mentioned guys. Okay, that is for the computer science. But while coming to the library science and the administrator post are also mentioned here in the Bhakti Management Services Private Limited. Okay, so regarding this eligibility conditions that you have to check through the online application form only, guys. But because I tried to get the eligibility conditions for both these two, I did not get that one. But because applying for library science means you might be having the post graduation or the graduation in the library science, right? Okay, but anyhow, that you have to clear at the time of filling up of the online application form. And here you may check down, applications are invited from the Indian nationals for purely temporary positions on a contractual appointment basis to be hired through the manpower agency, and eligible candidates are requested to apply online and upload the relevant documents. The agency may verify the documents submitted by a person at the time of appointment or during the tenure of the service. In case it is detected fake, then he will be terminated. The candidates will be called for the interview through email communication only. Therefore, applicants are advised to regularly check your emails and provide the working email, guys. Okay, don't put the different emails and after forgetting the password of that one, don't do like that. Whatever your working email ID is there, just submit that one only in the online application form. Okay, and there is no written test and nothing will be there. Okay, you can directly go for the interview once if you selected. And I think there is no application fee also here. The candidates called for the interview should bring all the originals and one set of photocopies of the same also. The date and venue of the interview will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates. Written test may be conducted, followed by the personal interviews of the successful candidates in the written test. That means they told that written test may be conducted. That means based upon your qualifications, guys. Everything, I hope so. So based upon your qualifications, they may call for the direct interview or else they may call for the written test. After successful completion of your written test, then you may go for the personal interview. TADA will not be provided, guys, for appearing the test or the interview. And if you want to apply for any one, and the salary is mentioned here, salary between 20,000 to 55,000 rupees per month, guys. And here, Bhakti Management Services Private Limited, the contact numbers are also given here and the mail ID is also given here. If you're having any queries regarding this one, or else if you're facing the technical issues regarding this one, you may call or mail to them. Okay, but whatever the eligibility you are having, and after watching this video, immediately try to apply for this one, guys. But because the last date is 4th July 2021, still we are having 5 more days are there. So please hurry up in applying. And you have to click on this one, and then if you're applying for the computers, I mean if you're the computer science related graduation or the post graduation, then you have to fill up these details: full name, date of birth, gender, address, email ID, mobile number, qualification in UG as well as PG, and whether you worked in any government project. Okay, what is the current CTC, currently working or not? If you are working, what is the organization, how much experience you are having? Okay, what are the different nature of jobs you did? Okay, and location, which location you need, in New Delhi or the Gandhinagar, and what are the skills you are having. Out of all these things, what are the skills you are having, and upload the CV and then upload the your photograph. Okay, so these are the details mentioned regarding the computer science, guys. And while coming to the library science, so just check this one and then click on this one, and the same details you have to fill up. Okay, qualification in UG and qualification in PG, fine. So fill up all these things, and whatever the professional skills you are having in the library science, whatever the technical skills you are having in the library science, just tick out those things and then upload the CV as well as the photo. Okay, it is one. So it is for the library science. And while coming to the administrator, so whatever the degree you are having, whatever the master's degree you are having, you may apply for this one, guys. That means any UG or any PG, okay, you can apply for this administrator post. So why? Because just click on this one. So fill up the full name and date of birth, gender, address, email, mobile, and okay. While coming to the degree, if you're having the bachelor's degree, then choose this one. If you're having the diploma, choose this one. If you're having the master's degree, choose this one. Or else others means just choose this one. Okay. If you're having the master's degree in any one of the specialization or something else, just select this one. And the degree name, that means whether it is a MTech or a MSc or what it is. Okay, just mention that one. And what is the university name, passing year and percentage. Are you the experienced one or not? Okay, if you don't have any experience, if you are the fresher, then click on the no. And whether you have worked any one of the government project or not, and whether you are currently working or not. If you are currently working, then what is the organization? If you are a fresher, then just select the no there. And whatever the skills you are having, just mention those and upload the CV as well as the passport size photograph. Okay, So total these are the different job notifications we got from the University Grants Commission's website, guys. So from this one we got to this Inflibnet, and this recruitment is going to be done by the Bhakti Management Services Private Limited, guys. Okay, so here opportunities are there for the graduation and post graduation in the computer related subject, and regarding the library science. And while coming to the administrator, if you are having the graduation or post graduation or diploma, any PG, guys, any PG or any UG, then you can apply for the administrator one. Okay, so these are the details regarding this recruitment notification, guys. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And then the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay, so the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things, and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.